Alright guys, we're here. Let's do this. Guys, in this life, you have to stay healthy. That's one of the main things in life, believe me. You gotta stay in shape. You don't wanna be fat, ugly, and unattractive. You gotta be able to attract. And guys, to be honest, there's no excuse. And in this world we live in right now, there's gyms everywhere, places like this everywhere, fields everywhere you can get up and go run. So there's no excuse to be fat, realistically. You feel me? Drip, drip, drip. Don't steal sauce. I'm about to try out this drone over here. Yo, I'm about to make this thing take off. It says to check the propellers. Yeah, my GoPro's recording still.
Take off.
I don't know what the fuck I did wrong. Could be the tapes that's on it. No, right, Jody?
It worked, but it wasn't supposed to be inside though, right?
Yeah.
It did more than that.
Pretty much, yeah. Shit's not working, bro. Maybe I fucked up at one time, but I doubt it. Cause it's not even,
serious?
nah. Nothing even happened to the blade. The blade. I didn't even hit it. The blade. Come again? The propeller hit something and it kind of broke a little bit. Yeah. What? No, the camera worked. I thought the propeller broke.
Upwards, and then once the calibration is.
Hold up. Why does it look like this thing's on like completely different? Bro, I think the blades are on the wrong way, bro. Holy. Yo. What the? I don't even know if I need to calibrate this. I'm watching the video and I just realized that these blades, like, they're not on right. They're on, but like
they're both the same way.
Yeah, they're supposed to be like inside.
Yeah.
So it comes inside, and this same with this, supposed to be both on the inside.
They're both the same way too.
Yeah. That's probably what's making it not take off properly. And when the thing turned on, it said like corner to corner is not like you know something's wrong. That's probably what it makes perfect sense though. That's probably exactly what it is. I gotta put this thing on properly. No calibration probably needed. Real shit. Yes, sir. No, I think I have a whole. You know what it is? I got 2 bags of these blades. You know, I think one blade is for one side, and the other blade is the other side. I even have them on me. You doing ordering food?
Fucking up my meal.
Oh shit. What are you grabbing? Someone asked me to make this spot.
You heard my phone call?
Yeah, that shit's loud, fam. I can hear that shit from my car. No cap.
Nah, it's a Fullaluv spot.
A what?
Crush some carbs. A Fullaluv spot.
Full of love, full of love.
Spot by Jimmy Lawrence?
Oh, never been there before. So.
After we went to corn bed.
They have lobster there, right?
I don't know.
I swear they have lobster. I remember I seen that shit on Instagram. The logo for this kind of looks like the logo for that Jamaican spot I went to yesterday, or 2 days ago. The one I was talking about yesterday? Yeah.
They're still in their soft spot.
Literally. Shrimp, what is this? Crab, lobster. Yeah, they have lobster. Lobster shrimp festival. What the fuck?
Okay.
You. Lobster, shrimp. Woo, this looks beautiful, man.
I have.
Spinning the block. Yeah, this shit looks. The man's honking at you, man. This guy's really honking at you, you know. I see them looking at you. That's just like some like some like creepy kind of. Yes, I wanted to make an order.
Okay, what did you want?
I want to get like a lobster meal with shrimp and mixed vegetables.
With vegetables?
Yeah.
So the combo that I have is the wings, pepper shrimp, and festival. You can substitute the pepper shrimp for lobster tail.
Can you repeat yourself?
So you want?
I wanted lobster, shrimp, and mixed vegetables.
With festival.
Yes.
Okay, so you can get the combo 2, which is wings, pepper shrimp, and festival, and then you can replace the pepper shrimp with a lobster tail.
So
and then you get wings. Is that fine?
Chicken wings? I don't want chicken wings. I want shrimp and lobster and mixed vegetables.
Okay. Yeah. So,
This girl's trying to buy something I don't want. I don't know why these people are trying to.
breaded?
Breaded shrimp.
Did you want 4 or 8?
Let me get 8.
And then how much festival did you want?
Festival, let me get 1 piece of festival.
1 festival?
Yeah. Are you gonna put
Is that it?
Am I gonna get mixed vegetables in there?
Sorry, vegetables?
Yeah. I can't substitute the festival for just mixed vegetables?
Sorry, you just want vegetables?
Can I substitute the festival for mixed vegetables?
Yeah, that's fine.
Like that round. Okay. Do that for me, please.
Okay, is that everything?
Yes, that's everything.
Okay, can I get a name and number?
J, and the number is...
Okay, so I'll give you a call when it's ready.
Okay, what's the total gonna be?
I'm gonna see if I can make it into a combo for you, so when you come, I'll be able to tell you.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye.
So guys, I always express this. You can't just work out and not eat or not rest. Those are very important. They're just as important as working out. So make sure you eat healthy. Make sure you sleep right. Otherwise, you'll just be doing more damage than good. You won't be building muscle, but in fact, you'll be losing muscle. So don't do that. Make sure you eat the right amount of calories. Not too much calories though, because you know, that's gonna make you fat, right? Don't eat too much sugar, too much carbs. It's all about balance when it comes to this. Alright guys, we're about to head inside. Hello, here for pickup. Jay. Let me get a bottle of water with that too. Let me get the Fiji. It's gonna be debit. What's the total? Are you smiling like that? You're about to run it up on me, eh? Grab one of these. Fullaluv. That's soft. Debit? Yeah, debit. You guys don't have like a menu you can give me?
No, we don't have
menu, no pamphlets, no nothing?
No pamphlets, not yet, no.
Okay.
But if you want to take a picture of this, that's basically the menu.
Okay. I'll do that. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
See you later. Have to get you. Sorry. Yes.
You want to check out the brand?
Check out the brand? Yeah, why not?
So my brand is called the English in Charge. So we have the Bobble Shop. So we have like the tie-dye stuff, we have tech shorts and hats.
Okay. What's it called again?
The English in Charge.
Youngest in charge?
TYIC.
Say that again?
TYIC.
TYIC.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys have like an Instagram?
Yeah, I'll give you a list. We have the same ringtone. Oh, you got that?
Yes. All right.
On the back, the Instagram is there.
Okay. So how much does the clothes go for?
Everything's like start like 40 and up.
Prices?
Yeah, depending on what it is. Yeah.
Take a look. Let's take a look real quick. This is the female section, right? Obviously. This is the female section, right?
No, everything's
You're just color coordinating.
Okay.
So I can show you some stuff if you
You
want.
can put your food down if you
Yeah, you can put your food down and take a look.
Yeah, put food down and
We're not gonna take your food. He's like, nah, I'm not putting it down. Put it down.
I got a lot of stuff on that camera, you know?
Yeah, so we
Can't
have
lose
like
it.
female and male mixed up because color coordinated.
Yeah.
So like, you know? Yeah, so these are male. Yeah, these are male. Right? And then we have lady stuff.
it's the racer one.
Okay.
And these are racer shirts for men. Unisex, sorry.
Yeah, this is nice.
And it comes in green. Do you have stuff
Yeah,
in there?
green and blue.
Green and blue.
We're going to
There's a short set.
Yeah, sure.
You want something? I guess you want to sit.
Yeah.
How much would it go for a shirt like this?
40.
40 bucks?
Yeah.
TYIC plus.
My brother, I'm gonna learn now. I'm going to learn now.
Jeez. This one's hard. I might buy this still.
And you don't want to teach me, you know? And I'm teaching you guys, you don't want to teach me.
Text, please.
Where's the text piece there?
This is text, please.
Oh, it's a full outfit.
Yeah,
Okay.
full outfit.
How much is the entire outfit?
150.
150.
Then we have the blue one and the black one.
It's not bad.
And the like t-shirts. Well, not that. DMX.
BMX.
Yeah. Oh, and then this is like the racing shirt you saw before, but it's on a black shirt.
So this is your company?
Huh? Yeah, it's my brand.
Okay.
This is like what I'm wearing, the matching set for the girls. So if you have a girl, you can get this and then get the sexy to go with it.
Okay.
And then this is crop top for the ladies. This is crop top for the ladies. This is a regular hoodie, and then another check sleeve. And then this is a hoodie with the patch and the
Yeah, this is hard.
Yeah. It's like
Hard.
a chenille
You
patch.
should do more stuff like this with the patching.
Yeah. Who has the jeans?
Oh, the denim right here.
Oh, here. Yeah, so we do like cool stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Custom stuff.
This is hard too.
Yeah.
How much is this?
How much? 80.
80 bucks?
Oh, and the men's shorts are
Men's shirts?
Yeah,
These are hard. Too big for me though.
yeah, I'm just showing you because if you want, we can make it. You know what I mean? So you
Okay,
can DM us or let us know whatever. Exclusive stuff. Did I show? Do you see any of the shirts that's right here?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna pick one of these.
And then they have
Yeah.
So it's a sweater with a thing, and then we also have t-shirt, t-shirt with the shorts.
Yeah.
Just the hat, bucket hat, and the shirt is where's the shirt? Where's the shirt for it? Where's the shirt for the? Where's the shirt for this? The shirt? Yeah. I don't see it.
Where do you put it?
Something else?
Yeah.
Where?
What is this, medium?
Yeah, that's weird.
You don't have this in like small?
No. It's fitted though. It's like a fitted shirt. Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
You think this will fit me?
Yeah. Come on, of course. Like what? Sure.
Yeah, I like fitted clothing, you know what I mean?
Oh, you ride bike? You ride and you're thing recording?
Yeah. GoPro, I vlog. You know? Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab this still. Yeah. 40 bucks? Let's see if I've got some.
Or is your book on there?
Oh, it's on the table.
Let me just do another quick run through. So you don't have Instagram or anything like that?
Yeah.
I could take it down?
Yeah.
One sec.
And where's your bag?
Bag's right here.
No.
What do you want?
Huh?
What do you want?
What's it called?
So the TYIC?
I'm asking for your Instagram.
Yeah, after. You gotta follow the brand first.
TYIC?
Yeah. First one?
This one?
Yeah. And then I'll give you mine. Alea,
A-L-E-A-H.
H. Yeah. Trends, TR. Yeah, first one.
Okay. Aaliyah. So how much do I owe you? 40 bucks flat?
So what do you do, like with the GoPro?
I vlog. I just started vlogging. I have like a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's lit. I'm gonna send it to you. Follow it, okay?
Yeah, for sure. I used to have, I still have a YouTube channel, but I don't.
Oh, you don't upload to it? You should
not
upload to it.
anymore.
You can make money off of that.
I know. Thank
Make
you.
crazy money.
Yeah, I
You know what I mean? That's why I got into it. Yeah. I'm gonna send it to you on my Instagram. You just follow
send
me.
it to me. I'll follow you.
So. Come again? Boomerang?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
You can sound like.
Right here? Take off my mask.
Yeah.
Looks saucy, no?
yeah. Do like
Well,
it's a boomerang.
what happened?
It's a
Want me to move?
boomerang, so yeah, you gotta move.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah. Like this?
Yeah. Okay, one.
You gotta tell me how to pose.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You gotta get me from top to bottom. So I got
It's a boomerang. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Alright.
Here,
I don't really like that pose for some reason. It seems kind of like out of place. Yeah, I got a model, right?
Alright.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's way better.
Okay.
Yeah. Before I look like a
Wait.
hiding in a corner or something.
Put your app on the business. Alright, thank you.
Alright, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Hit you up on Instagram.
Thank you. I'll see you guarding your food for you.
Pardon?
See you guarding your food for you.
No one's gonna take it though, right?
I know, so never.
Alright, see you later, okay?
Thank you.
Yes, take care. Alright. Yes, sir. That's what you call some good service. That girl liked me, holy. Looking good benefits, guys. That's why you gotta work out. Feel me? I'm in the place where I can eat now, so open this, show you what it looks like. Take a bite. Again, this is called Flavorful. The people there are nice. It's supposed to be lobster, shrimp, and mixed vegetables. Some of the shrimp fell out. Fuck, I don't even want to touch this. See where this goes. Bunch of sauce in the bag. Woo. Look at that, guys. Woo. Almost dropped it. Amazing. Look at that lobster. Shrimp, amazing. Mixed vegetables, yum. Take a bite of the vegetable. Definitely recommend this joint. Fullaluv. Some people say you shouldn't eat the end of a shrimp tail, but I do it anyways. No word of lie, this food right here is amazing. This food right here is a vibe. You know what? I think I'm gonna go get some more of this tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. It's your boy Machiavelli in the mouth.